As you are aware, leaders from the South-South zone of the All Progressive Congress held a meeting which we hosted in Edo House this evening. The meeting was attended by leaders from the 6 states of the zone, comprising 7 ministers, 7 members of the National Assembly, members of the zonal executive of our party, and members of the state executive of our party. We also had former ministers, former senators, and leaders of the party who have served this country in various capacities. At the meeting, leaders of the zone, the South-South zone of the All Progressive Congress, which met on the 12th day of March 2020 and deliberated extensively of the situation in the party, and at the end of the meeting, they adopted the following resolutions. 1, that as a party, we commend our brother, the acting chairman of the All Progressive Congress, Chief Victor Giadom, for rising to the occasion by providing leadership for the party in these trying times. 2, that we fully support the convening of a National Executive Committee meeting on Tuesday, March 17, 2020, as the National Executive Committee is the only recognized organ under the constitution of our party to resolve this crisis. 3, that we insist that the party should respect the current zoning arrangement by retaining the chairmanship of our great party in the South-South zone, even in an acting capacity. 4, we resolved that the most senior officer of the party from the zone, being the acting national secretary, Chief Victor Giadom, should be confirmed acting chairman for the time being. 5, we urge all our brothers and sisters from the zone to fully embrace the meeting, the NEC meeting, and not boycott this emergency NEC meeting, which has been stated for Tuesday, March 17th, because boycotts in a democratic environment is always counterproductive. Gentlemen of the press, those are our resolutions.